Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest Canva tips and tutorials. Today, we're going to show you how to use Canva for easy social media branding. Let's jump in. First, log in to Canva. Canva is great for creating consistent and eye-catching social media posts. Let's start by choosing a template. Navigating to Canva Templates. Go to the Templates section and pick a template for the platform you're designing for, like Instagram or Facebook. Templates are a great starting point and save you a lot of time. Selecting and customizing a template. Select a template you like and customize it. Change the colors to match your brand. Click on any element, and you can use the color picker to choose your brand colors. Using your brand's colors consistently helps people recognize your posts. Changing fonts. Next, update the fonts. Click on the text and choose fonts that match your brand style. Canva has a lot of options, so find ones that fit your look. Consistent fonts make your posts look professional. Adding a logo. Now, let's add your logo. Go to Uploads, upload your logo, and drag it onto your design. Place it in a spot where it stands out but doesn't overpower the design. Adding your logo helps build brand recognition. Creating multiple designs for different platforms. To make posts for different platforms, use Canva's Resize feature. Click Resize, pick the platform, and Canva will adjust the size for you. This feature keeps your branding consistent across all social media, demonstrating a set of cohesive social media posts. Here's a quick example of posts for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all looking cohesive and professional. And that's it. With Canva, creating consistent and stunning social media branding is easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.